Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys the third method of how to remove pimples, black spots, and so on from your image. So with that being said, let's get to business. Now the first thing you need to do is to open your Photopea. We'll be using two applications for this, Photopea and another application. So first of all, open your Photopea. Now click open from computer, then click on files. Then search for the image, right? So I'm just going to pick from my Windows, okay, and okay, let me go back. Very good. So this is my image, right? You can see this is my image right here. You can see. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to remove the pimples, right? First of all, we are going to use Photopea to clear out the acne and pimples and so on, right? Oh, sorry about this. Let me take it up. Okay. Okay. Let me start from beginning. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. Pick from Windows. Good. So first of all, we are going to clean up this image using our spot healing tool. Like if you've not watched the first tutorial, the link is in the description, or you can ask any of the admin for the link. So that is the first part on how to remove pimples using the spot healing brush tool or your patch tool, right? So we are going to be using patch tool, right? This patch tool will enable us erase it. So in order for you to use the patch tool, all you need to do is to use your zoom icon here to zoom in, or you pinch with your two fingers to zoom in, right? So you zoom, then you circle it, right, using your patch tool. So good. But first thing you need to do is to click here, then you press and hold, and you click on duplicate layer. Now we have two layers, right? So I'll go ahead and close this layer, then circle round, press and hold and circle round, then you drag it to a cleaner area like this, and you leave it. So this is going to clean up that side. So we go again like this, drag it to the cleaner area. Just go for the dark spots. In order for this video not to be too long, I'm just going to show you a few steps here, then I will pause the video and remove everything, then show you the final. They say just keep doing this, do it around the face, and in order for you to navigate, that's to see other sides, just click on your hand tool down here, and this will enable you to pan the viewport. You can see. So I'll go back and select my patch tool, then I'll draw a circle around this dark spots and drag. Good. You can see we're erasing this part. Now for this part, in Photopea, we just want to erase or clean up the black spots and pimples, right, by using the patch tool. Then we are going to smooth the face. We are going to smoothen the face, right, with a different application. So all you need to do is just to erase these dark spots right here. So erase all the dark spots, right, and pimples. So you can see this nice pimple here. Just erase them. Good. Like this. You can drag it to a more cleaner area like this. Good. Just drag. to a more cleaner area. Good. All you need to do is just to go around like this. So in order for this video not to be too long, I'm just going to pause, then continue. I'll show you the next process, right, once you're done cleaning it up. So guys, as you can see, we are done with the cleanup right here. You can see we are done with all the cleanup. The face is looking clean now. So all I did was just to use the patch tool and go around erasing everything. Now for the next part, we have to export this to another area, right? So I'll click here, that's on file. I'll click on export as and click on PNG. So I'm going to save the name as 333, right? So I'm just going to click on save. As you can see, it has downloaded. If I open it, this is the image right here. So I'm going to click on the share button here and click on airbrush, right? This is the application that we'll be using to clean up and smoothen up the face, right? So click on airbrush and click on, I'm just going to open it in just once. Good. So this is the face right here, right? And this is the interface of the application. So go to your Play Store and download this application. Now for the next step, click on, just click here and drag it, then you click on smooth. Right, so these are the options. So click here, adjust the brush size. You can see if you want it bigger, if you want it smaller. So I'm just going to keep it at 15. Then click here on brush, and all you need to do is just to press and hold, then you clean like this. Like this. So this controls the the strength of the work, right? So I'm just going to leave it as 80. Then I'm going to do here. You can see those black spots are no longer there, right? So just take your time and follow the face, the outline of the face, right? So I may not be doing it correctly, but you can just take your time and do it properly so that everything will look nice. Everything is going to come out nice, right? So just follow it. Now the reason why I didn't complete the Photopea, show you the whole process, is because you've already watched the first part of the tutorial where I showed you guys how to do it, right? So I don't want to make this video too long, so that's why I just jumped to this part. So just go ahead and do it like this, right? Just take it easy. When you get to somewhere like this and below the nose side and the chin, you can reduce the brush size, right? You can reduce the brush size so that it will not look rough. But I'm just doing it just for this video. Let me reduce the size of this to 70. Okay, 75. Then reduce my brush size down to 11. Then I can work here. Okay. Reduce the brush size even smaller. Good, so that I can work here. You can zoom in, right, by using your two fingers to pinch in so that you can work on these areas here. You can see, you can work on these areas here. So just go ahead and take your time to do it properly so that your work is going to come out perfectly. And that is going to wrap it up for this part of the tutorial. And we are finally done with the pimples method, right? How to remove pimples. So see you guys in the other tutorials where we are going to be doing some amazing things using Photopea, right? So see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.